Hello, you've just cleaned your toilet, they are perfect, but someone just after, 10 minutes after, goes to the toilet, drop a few bombs and leaves a lot of marks. That's pretty nasty, isn't it? Well, stay tuned, I will show you what to do to avoid this. Now, as you know, when we go to a toilet, no need for me to show you a photo. Sometimes there are marks at the bottom, something that gets stuck on it, and it's quite nasty when the next one is going there. So to avoid this, there's a very simple trick that I will show you. We will need a soap. Doesn't matter the brand, the size, it doesn't matter really. But if it's with some perfume, better. Okay. Socks, you got old ones, perfect. Scissors, that's it, that's all you need. So let me now show you how we do this. Place it, and like that you won't have that problem again. So it's no rocket science, but you'll see the top of the sock. We'll cut it more or less at about here, okay? But we won't cut it all the way, okay? Let me show you. Now that it's done, we just need to place our soap inside and make a knot at the end, like so. You see, it couldn't be any simpler, isn't it? Up, 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 and now a knot, done. Okay, so you should have something like this. We are now going to open the cistern, and the sock will be immersed in the water, okay? And the loop will be used to hold on the internal system. If you have followed what I've told you, you should have something very similar to this in your cistern. Let's now wait 15 to 20 minutes, and so the soap can mix with the water. And now, next time a person will go to the toilet and flush, this will create a very fine film inside your toilet, which nothing will stick to. So that's good. And on top of that, if you have used a perfume soap, on top of that, it will smell nice. So that's a bonus. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care. Ciao.